Pipelines are an important means of transportation for liquids and gases in the oil and gas industry. Let's look at why it's important to be familiar with how pipelines are maintained, leak detection, repairs, and abandonment. First, new oil and gas production in areas remote from markets requires longer and larger diameter pipeline systems. Second, offshore production in deeper waters requires longer flow lines to processing units. And third, pipeline infrastructure serving existing fields and markets is aging and exposed to increasing interaction with the public. In many ways, pipelines are the public face of the oil and gas industry. The industry has statistically a strong safety record, but the few mishaps can be dramatic and very public.